Hey guys, shaFs here. So today I'm gonna show you some neat features that will help you to use Instagram like a pro. Before that, do subscribe if you haven't. Now without further ado, let's get started. So the first feature is how you can color background your stories. So whenever you want to use color background, all you have to do is click a photo on Insta's story panel. Now tap on three dots on the upper right corner. Now tap on draw. Now you can select any color you want for the background. Now tap on the image and hold for 3 to 4 seconds. Now you can see the whole image will be the color you selected. If you want to change the color again, just select the new color and do the tap and hold again. Now you can add GIFs, stickers, etc. for your story. Speaking of stickers, now let me show you the second feature, which is how you can put links on Instagram. So there are many ways to post links on Instagram. Most commonly that you see is the swipe up feature in the stories, which is for the verified users with more than 10k followers. For general users in story, just add the link sticker and paste your link. Here I'm gonna use the google.com, and after that customize the sticker text. The sticker text will be visible to the followers, not the link. Here I will use the search engine. Some links are too long, which will not look so good in your stories. So that's why we use the customized sticker text. The other ways to post links is in the comment section, or you can use the bio. Now coming to the third feature, I will show you how you can hide your likes or plays. First, for the newer post. When you are about to post anything, under advanced setting you can hide the likes and plays, which for some is the good privacy feature. You can also turn off the comments. So for the posts which are already live, just go to the post and click on the three dot menu and click on hide like count, or you can also turn off the comments. Now the feature number 4. So this feature will let you find the post you have liked before. You know when you like some post and you didn't save that post and lost it? So this feature will help you to find that post. All you have to do is go to your Instagram profile and click on the menu which is at the upper right corner. Now go to the interaction and tap on likes. Now you can see all the previous 300 likes here. You can also sort or filter the posts. In the interaction, there's also the comment and the story reply. You can also track your comments and the story replies that you have replied. So that's all for this video. Hope you enjoy, and if you did, then do subscribe and follow me on my Instagram. This is shaFs, and I will see you in the next one.